Welcome back to Semi's Vlogs. I know it's been a long time, but it's a nice day out and I just decided to do a video. So we're taking the 22, the AR and the 12 gauge are in the shop. The AR and the 12 gauge are in the shop, but we're going to be shooting at this piece of steel. It's about an inch thick, and we're just going to start up with the 22 and work our way up and see what can go through it and see what can stop it. See at the range. First up is a 22 hollow point. Just load it right in there. First hit, not even a dent. Oh, camera's a little dirty. .22 is not super strong, but we're gonna go down to the rifle range and test out the 12 gauge and the AR-15. Right here we have the Mossberg 500. It's just your regular shotgun, and here we have an EP3 2 3/4 inch slug, and that's what we're going to be shooting out of this. So let's get it loaded up and go. Whoa, that was a big hit right here. See, there's a 22, and right above that, that's that big slug. A little bit bigger dent, but not much. I'm surprised. You would have think that super big slug would go right through that, but it did not. I'm going to take one more shot, but we're going to use a little bit hotter round this time. Okay, so that one did just the same, but we hit right on that corner there, and you can see it's kind of bent. It's really starting to bow right there. So I'm thinking, let's just move on to the AR, right? So here's our 22, here's slug number 1, and there's the hotter round, which still just didn't bend it enough. Which still didn't go through at all, but I think we'll try a couple shots at the AR-15. Right here we have the Huldra AR-15, chambered in 223 with an aim point red dot scope on it. Here we just got a little drip that goes right there on the side, wherever you want it. But for this, we're taking a 55 grain bullet, chambered in 223, and we'll just see how that goes. Alright, I'm going to set this up, leave you guys down at the target, and we'll see how this goes. So 22, slug number 1, slug number 2. Look at that big difference with the AR. That 223 just dug straight in there with the full metal jacket, and I don't see no more jacket left, just a whole bunch of lead. That went a lot farther than I thought. But we still have a whole lot of steel left to shoot. Let's get the 12 gauge and the AR back in action, and we'll see if we can finish the rest of this up.